Arguments are complete in the Pablo Contreras murder trial. He's accused of stabbing Eugenio Correa to death back in August. Now, News Channel 2's Jolene Ferris has been covering this case from the start and joins us live with an update. Good afternoon, Jolene.
Thank you, Jason. This trial is a little different from a lot of the jury trials we normally cover because it is a judge, not the jury, who is the weigher of fact in this case, just the judge who will be deliberating the fate of Pablo Contreras. One of the big differences from a jury trial is opening and closing arguments by the attorneys tend to be pretty brief in a bench trial because obviously a judge already has a pretty good working knowledge of the law. This morning, both attorneys wrapped up their closing arguments in about half an hour. It's basically a chance for the attorneys to sort of put in front of the judge aspects of the evidence and testimony that they would like him to keep in the forefront of his mind during deliberations. The defense went first, suggesting that the defendant, Contreras, was an outsider at the house party the night he stabbed victim Eugenio Correa to death back in August. She suggests a cover-up of some sort. The prosecution says this was not self-defense, it was pride and ego after a night of many romantic rejections at that party.
They claim they see a knife. They find out that Chu has been stabbed. They know that Pablo is arrested. Do they run down to the police station saying, he had a knife, I saw it? Do they call the police? No.
Because he brought a knife to a fist fight. He couldn't handle Eugenio Correa physically, and he didn't know what to do, and he resorted to murder to handle it.
And unlike when a jury hears a trial and you're sort of sitting in the courtroom waiting out their verdict, the judge has already said he's going to have his verdict Monday morning at 11 here at Oneida County Court. Live at the courthouse, Jolene Ferris, News Channel 2.
Watch for that report.